Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been actually like over a week since I sat down and filmed a video with you. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So we are going to be unbagging our Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I did get this in the creator box from Ipsy. I'm very fortunate that every month they send me these two, but I also do pay for Ipsy Plus and Ipsy X every third month. So I do have my Ipsy X coming. I'm very excited for that. So there will be an unboxing for that as well. Stay tuned. So let's go ahead. We'll start with our Ipsy Glam Bag. Now I actually tried on the products with my Plus and I have them on, so I'll tell you how they performed. But first, just our Ipsy bag for $12. The bag is very beautiful. I love this like pink on pink floral print. It's very soft, very sleek, so I love it. It's kind of like that faux leather feel. So let's see what we've got. First up, this is the Kinship Self-Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen. I actually have this and I use it a lot. I just wore it yesterday and I actually really like it. This is a zinc oxide broad spectrum SPF 32. This is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, dermatologist tested. I have a couple products from Kinship, a mask and this sunscreen. I really like it. So this is just a little guy, of course, of the sunscreen. I'm definitely excited to have a mini of this. I love it already, so I know that if I'm traveling somewhere, I can definitely take this with me. Next up, we have something from Avant, the Pro Collagen. Their products have the craziest like list of names on the front, but it's got a lot of stuff. It says Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer to Chiclaw. So this is Primer Pro Perfector. It says for clean, dry skin, whether alone under foundation, to create a smooth, even canvas. I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand and see what it looks like. It feels really nice. It feels smooth. This is just gonna be one of those things I'm gonna have to try because I've never tried this product, but Avant is skincare based. So if you want a skincare based primer, maybe. My hand feels very soft and smooth, but it doesn't feel extremely hydrated, if that makes sense. We got the, Olaplex number 3, 1 ounce of that. It's basically a leave-in treatment that helps to bond the hair and help with damage. So I use it a lot, especially now that I am, bleaching my hair. You can put it everywhere through the hair. It basically helps the strands kind of bond back together, but good for damage, good for split ends, breakage, color treated hair. So I'm really excited to have this. Again, just a really good product if I was traveling. I try to use it about once a week if I can remember, and I do have a big bottle of this, but I will never complain about getting Olaplex, so I'm really excited for that one. I also got Gold Faden Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Face Cleanser. So it's got wheat protein, botanical cleansing agents, and grapefruit peel oil. This again is another like higher end type skincare brand. I've heard really good things. I've gotten a couple items from them. I can't say that I've used them enough to be like yes or no, but so far so good. Like I haven't had any reactions. I've enjoyed everything so far. So yeah, another product to try out. I'm very keen on trying cleansers because I do go through them so often. So anytime I get a cleanser, I know it's not going to sit on the shelf. I'll actually use it. So I like to put small ones in my shower too or travel with them. So very excited for that. One more. This is a Anastasia lipstick. Oh, this is Dead Roses. That name. We'll do a little swatch because I definitely don't have this. I don't have a lot of Anastasia lipsticks, period. Their liquid lips were always too dry for me. I mean, I have a few colors that I actually really liked, but moreover, they're pretty dry, but I'm excited for this. Even though it's a matte formula, it's still a bullet lipstick. It's much different than a matte liquid lip. It's a really nice, like deeper rose. I feel like it has a hint of mauve in there too. So not bad. A little roundup, the Avant Primer. We got the Kinship Sunscreen, Olaplex number 3, Gold Fading Cleanser, and then of course the Anastasia lipstick. So I feel like that's a really good assortment. Once again, as far as the brands go, pretty good. A lot of higher end, well-known brands, which I love trying the new stuff, but there's something about getting brands that you already love that's just like, oh yes, I love it. So that's our Glam Bag. Now onto Glam Bag Plus. I have actually tried everything and everything's kind of like a cylinder form, so it doesn't look like there's a lot in here, but there is 5 good products. Of course, same bag. Love the little drawstring bags. We got the Hey Honey Open Your Eyes Lifting Eye Serum. This is to tighten skin and reduce puffiness. I did give it a try for my reel, but eye serums, I just feel like you just have to see how they go long term because they don't give a lot of hydration. My under eye is pretty dry. This one did give a little bit of hydration. It felt very refreshing, but puffiness is not a concern for me. I have a little bit of darkness, fine lines, and dryness. That's more so what I'm concerned about. Like, I don't puff out, I more so sink in just a little bit right here. So far so good. I like this brand, Hey Honey. I had a honey like mask from them that I really liked. It was like a flash treatment. Can't remember what it was called, but it was pretty good. We also got Complex Culture Easy Crease Definer. I've talked about these brushes a lot. I absolutely love them. The ferrule on this is like kind of shaped into a triangle. So the bristles, if you can tell, are kind of triangular shaped, and then they kind of fan out a little bit at the end. It kind of comes to a point. So this is nice if you want to do a very detailed little crease. So what I did was use a darker shade right through here with this brush, and then I also took it with the side of the brush and blended, and this was also really nice for under the eye. So you have a lot of control with this product just right on that tip, and then you can use the side of the brush to really drag it and buff it out. I love Complex Culture brushes. They have been generous enough to send me some stuff, and I have loved it. I need to use more of it, and I'll definitely show myself using more of their product. I also got, this is a tried and true Milk Kush mascara. The one I have, which is actually this one, I didn't open the new one, is getting like, once it starts to get a little bit old, it starts to flake a little bit. But when I first get it, it's like amazing, and I probably just am getting to the point where I need to throw the other one out. I have so many open mascaras, and I feel like they're getting a little dry before I even have a chance to really use them. So I'm gonna go through my mascara soon. I do need to do some more makeup declutters, but I'm trying to find a better way to store and organize makeup. It's a struggle always for me. So I'm working on that, but I'm really happy to have Milk mascara. I also got this Fenty Beauty. This is the Fly Liner. I think it's called Fly Liner. Fly Pencil. Why did I think it was called Fly Liner? Anyway, Fly Pencil, long wear eye pencil in the shade Cause I'm Black. So this is pretty basic, just an eyeliner that twists up. These I have swatched many, many times, and I want some of the brighter colored ones, but on first little try, I'm not really amazed with these. I didn't try it in my waterline because I just wasn't feeling the black in my waterline for this look. So essentially what I did was just smudge it along the outer corner of the lash line and just kind of use a brush to blend it out. It gave me a little bit of darkness and smokiness on the lash line and makes my lashes look a little bit fuller. It just didn't do anything special for me, but I do love Fenty, so I'm never going to be mad at getting a Fenty product. And we have one more. I have this on, and I absolutely love this. I saw some of these in, I think, add-ons maybe, and I kind of wish now I had gotten them, but this is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip, and it is indeed juicy. It's got like this glassy finish. This is the shade Rose, and this is one of those little click up ones, so you just click it and then it kind of pushes it out slowly at the top. And again, the shade Rose. This is just beautiful. Like, it's very emollient. It doesn't feel sticky though. It feels kind of like a thicker, I don't know how to describe it. Thick and creamy, but also glossy and glassy, and so pretty. So I'm very excited for this, and if I see more of these, I'll definitely pick them up. Tell me what you think about this lip, because I think it's beautiful and very like fresh if you want something light that's not like super bold. My lips feel really good. So of course we got the Tarte Lip Milk Mascara, Hey Honey Eye Serum, we got the Fenty eyeliner, and the Complex Culture brush. 5 items in the Ipsy Plus. I'm very excited for everything that I got. I don't feel like there's any duds in this mix. I feel like for the past few months I've gotten pretty lucky with my subscription boxes, like overall, because all the other ones I get I pay for. These are the only 2 that I get sent to me. So I feel like overall it's just been pretty good. I feel like, you know, they're looking up. So that's what I got in my Ipsy Plus, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, like I said, if you enjoy, and don't forget, make sure you're subscribed. I feel like YouTube is kind of cycling out and kicking people off of subscriptions again. That tends to happen when I see like a big dip in my numbers all of a sudden. Then I'll have people tell me like, oh my god, I looked at your channel and I wasn't subscribed. So if you would like to be, or would just like to do it to support me, make sure you're subscribed. If not, just subscribe. Thank you guys so much for your support. It means a lot to me. Thank you again, and I will see you really soon in my next one. Bye guys.